Samsung finally did it. A mid-range phone that feels like a flagship. 16 years after launching its first Android smartphone, Samsung has finally created a mid-range device that delivers flagship-level performance, the Galaxy A56. While other brands have offered smooth and fast software experiences on mid-range phones for years, even with heavily customized Android skins, Samsung only truly perfected software optimization on its flagship models 2 years ago. The Galaxy S23 series, including the S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra, were the first Samsung flagships to deliver a properly optimized software experience, matching the smooth, stutter-free performance of Apple's iPhones. Before that, even Samsung's premium devices experienced occasional stutters and performance degradation over time, not to the point of being laggy, but enough to feel less refined, especially considering their price. With the Galaxy S23 series, particularly the S23 Ultra, Samsung turned things around. Over the past 2 years, the company has continued refining its software, and now, those optimizations are making a noticeable impact on its mid-range lineup. The Galaxy A56's impressive performance could be due to its powerful new Exynos chip, improved software, or a combination of both. Whatever the reason, the results speak for themselves, and they're outstanding. The phone isn't completely flawless. There are occasional hiccups in UI animations, and scrolling in some apps can feel inconsistent, but these issues are rare. Most of the time, it's easy to forget that the F56 is a mid-range Samsung phone, which is remarkable considering I switched to it from the S25 Ultra. Gaming performance is excellent, thanks in part to the F56's large vapor chamber cooling system, which matches the size of the one found in the Galaxy S24 Plus. Even after playing Call of Duty for half an hour, the device barely got warm. That said, thermal management was already solid on last year's Galaxy A55. Samsung has also claimed improvements in camera shutter lag and lens switching speed, though I haven't tested the cameras extensively enough to confirm those claims. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.